This is my MathCast Final Version 1. The intended honor is grade 1. The content is representing up to 120 objects with a written numeral, and it's created by Zachary A. Ledesma. Before we get into the problems, we had to go with our vocabulary. Our vocabulary for some of our vocabulary are the base 10 system, and this is the ones placed in the base 10 system. This is our tens, also known as a log. We can tell this because there's 10 ones in this log. And this is known as the hundreds, also known as flat. This because we can tell this because there are 10 logs in one flat. Alright, for this we're trying to figure out what comes after. So we see 10 from 11 is plus 1. And 11 to 12 is also plus 1. We can see that would be 13. Then 110 to 111, then 111 to 112 is also plus 1 each time. So it's 112 to 113, 100 plus 112. 112 plus 1 is 113. Then for E, we see 17, 18, something, and 20. We can see that 17 to 18 is plus 1. Then 18 to 20 is 2. So we can tell that this would be 19. And then 117 to 118, that 118 to 120 is plus 2. So that would be 119. For this one, it's basically the same, but we're taking stuff away instead of adding stuff now. So we're doing subtraction. So if we had 7 minus 1, for 10 you had 7 coins and you gave one to your friend, it'd be 7 minus 1 equals 6. And for number 8, you have 17 minus 1, that equals 16, because you had 17 and you minus away 1, you had 16. 30 minus 1, pretend you had 30 jelly beans, you ate 1, you get 29. And 20 minus 1 is 19. Alright, for this one, we're trying to see what the value we have. So we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 of these 10s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of these. That means we have 10 and 8. That means that equals 108. This one's also basically the same, except we already have the value. We just have to make it into the item, how many of each thing we have. So we see that we have 11 10s. That means that's 100 and 110 and 0 ones. That means the value is 110. And then for number 9, we see that we have 10 ones. That means 100. And 10 10s. That means 100. And 5 ones, which is 5. That means the value is 105. Thank you for watching my MathCast final version. My resources were PolyPad. I got the base 10 system from that, and my other ones were our book. I got some of the stuff from our book. Whatever. There we go.